CDO Aachen is just around the corner, and you are cordially invited. Discuss with us how a well-thought-out AI strategy guarantees long-term success and why artificial intelligence is indispensable at a strategic level. Find out what concrete value AI is already creating in the manufacturing industry today and how companies worldwide are revolutionizing their value creation through AI technologies. You can look forward to top speakers from leading companies worldwide. Take advantage of this unique opportunity. Participation is free of charge. Register now and help shape the future. We look forward to seeing you digitally and live on November 20th in 2024.